Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu, Mania, often called piano mode. Asu, Mania is a rhythm game where notes descend in columns, and your goal is to press the correct keys on your keyboard precisely when the notes align with the hit bar. This guide will help you understand the core mechanics, optimize your setup, and develop effective practice habits to improve your gameplay. We'll cover everything from basic controls to advanced techniques, ensuring you have a solid foundation. Setting up your controls is crucial for comfortable and effective play. Most players opt for a symmetrical key layout, such as 4 keys on each hand, like SDF and JKL, or even ASDF and JKL, for 8-key modes. Experiment with different configurations to find what feels most natural for your hands. Additionally, fine-tune your scroll speed. A faster speed can make notes appear more spaced out, aiding in readability. Especially on dense maps, find your sweet spot. Improving your reading ability is key to mastering Asu, Mania. Begin by practicing maps with simpler patterns to develop your fundamental rhythm and coordination. Focus on hitting each note with precision, aiming for perfect accuracy rather than just hitting keys randomly. As your accuracy and speed improve, gradually challenge yourself with maps of increasing difficulty. Consistent practice across various note patterns, like streams, chords, and jacks, will significantly enhance your ability to process information quickly. To truly excel, focus on advanced techniques. Develop your sight reading by anticipating upcoming note patterns, allowing your fingers to prepare in advance. Practice finger independence exercises to ensure each finger can move precisely and quickly without affecting others, which is vital for complex charts. Watching replays of highly skilled players can also provide valuable insights into their strategies and hand movements. Remember, consistent practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes daily, will lead to remarkable long-term improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.